This tutorial will go over the basics on how to create a walking stick person using Flash Professional 8. The first thing you want to do is you want to be sure that all of your body parts are within their own layers, as I have here. The only one I have together is my body and my head, only because I don't have anything planned where my head is moving and my body isn't, or something like that. If you do plan on doing something like that with your animation, then you would want your body and your head to be in separate layers. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come out to my keyframe and insert my keyframe like I normally would. I'm going to move my body forward, come back, and create that motion tween. With my right leg, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to insert a keyframe, and I'm going to move my leg and twist it a little bit using my free transform tool so that it kind of looks like I'm walking. So you're going to want to think about how we look when we walk and which leg goes in front, which leg is behind, so that way you can imitate it as best as possible here. So you can see now my body moves forward and my leg is moving backward just a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing with my left leg. So for this one, I would want my left leg to be moving in front, because that is how our bodies look when we're walking. They're going to cross over each other. And I know it looks a little silly right now, but as we go through, it will look a little bit more natural. So I'm going to move my right arm, and same with my left arm. So now you can see as it moves forward, we've got our legs somewhat crossing over. And then as we move farther out, so I'll insert another keyframe here, move my body, and create that motion tween once more. Insert keyframe, and this is my right leg. So at this point, my right leg is going to be behind, kind of in like a stride motion. Create that motion tween. And in this one, my left leg will be coming all the way to the front, like so. And then create that motion tween. And you can have your arms move if you want. So maybe in this frame, I'll have my arm moving upward, kind of in like a waving motion. So it'll move up like this. Create that motion tween once again, and then my left arm I'll have staying down at my side, and then create that motion tween. So now you can see as it moves through, my legs cross over, they come forward, and my arm goes up. So then I can continue. So insert that keyframe, move my body, create that motion tween, and then for this one, my right leg will be coming back forward. So my right leg is going to be in front for this next one. So you can see it's coming forward a little bit more. Creating that motion tween, right clicking, inserting a keyframe, and then this one, my left leg is going to be going toward the back. Again, you will need to use your free transform tool so you can get your legs going in the proper, turning them to where they need to be facing. And then here, I'm going to have my arm facing downward. So I want it to come back down and just be at my side. Like so. Create motion tween. Insert that keyframe on my left arm, and bring it over to match, and then create that motion tween. So now you can see that my stick person is slowly moving forward, those legs are coming together and going back apart. So again, I'm going to right click, insert that keyframe, move my body, create that motion tween, and then continue working with my legs. So this time I want my right leg to be coming behind me a little bit more. this. And my legs aren't completely straight, so you may make a straighter leg and it may look a little bit better, but you can kind of see the basics of what I'm doing here. And then for this one, my left leg, we're going to be bringing toward the front, like so. So this is a lot of inserting your frames, thinking about how your body really moves in real life, making sure that you've got your legs and all your arms moving together in succession, and then just inserting a whole bunch of tweens, a whole bunch of keyframes to make it look as natural as possible. And it won't most likely be 100% perfect, but you can see that I've at least got the basics of a walking stick person here for you. So that is how you create a walking stick person in Flash Professional 8.